again to the interface of Canva. You can see the last design we made is under these recent designs now, the logo. Either of them. If you want to go back there and continue editing, you click and open. If you want to duplicate it, you see the 3 arrows on top of it there. Coming. You see these 3 arrows there in each of those designs. When you click on it, it can help you delete. It can help. Oh God. Okay. Look at the options there. Edit, make a copy, move to folder, download, share, get views only link, move to trash, So whichever one you want, you go click on it and it will work for you. So if you want to make a copy, maybe you don't want to adulterate this design, you just want to edit and make another copy, you can just click that make a copy, move to a folder, all those things now, they're all English. All right, now, so right now we want to create a new design. Let's say this time we will go for invitation card or flyer. Sorry, flyer or Instagram post, whichever one. Let me see. We have flyers here, portrait. I clicked on the flyer. That's the word itself. I didn't click on any of the designs. I just clicked at the word. Let me go back maybe so that we'll see what I did. Okay, I just clicked on the. I don't want to go and type. You can go and type like we typed logo before to take you there. But since I'm not typing it, I'm clicking at either the name. Okay, you've seen that. So I just clicked at that Instagram post. Was it Instagram or Facebook we went to? So just click on the name. Or see all self. See all is here. Whichever one you want to take you to the same. So I'm clicking on the name now. Instagram post. I don't know if that was the one. So it will take me to all Instagram posts, templates, and even the blank. So let's just click on create blank. Our aim for this video is just to make use of some tools so that we know how to use them or what we can come up with. So I've clicked that create blank, and here is our blank page. Let's see, that's the page, is white. Okay. So that's the page, and the icons down here that can be used. So you've seen this plus button. I think you come to it right now. The page is not highlighted. That's why it's only the additional button that is there. If I highlight the page to bring out the options for you to use in editing the page, you already know what it is: replace, color, and all those stuff. So let's click on that replace first. Maybe I want to replace it with another template or an old things or image, or that background you want to replace that white with something else. So to bring up, okay, yes, that's where it went. It has brought up my gallery. Okay, no, this one is not my gallery. So it has brought out my saved work here, not my phone gallery. My saved work here in Canva. So do I want to replace them with that or that? So since that's not what brought us, we are going back to the page. Okay, the next one there is color. We already know. Choose the color for the background if you want. Let me maintain pink. Go back. Okay, here's the background. The next thing there is comments. Comments is just Canva, just like any other app, is like a community. A comment is like you're commenting on this design on this page for others to see. That's not the bone of contention. Sorry. So we're moving on to the other one. That one says lock. Unlock. We're trying to lock the work, everything there, so that they will not be scattered or something like that. So that's it about the lock. Let's check more. In more we have copy, paste, lock, delete. Okay. So what do we do now? This plus button, we're going to hit the purple down here. Click on it. takes me here. Templates and styles. Now look down here where we have about 4 icons. Okay, more than to the right. So design, elements, gallery, uploads, text, projects, apps. All of them are very necessary. And the one highlighted now is the first one, design. As templates that are there already. When I click on elements, you see for yourself. As objects, that's where they are. Tons, numerous of them. The thing is, just know how to search them. So these ones you can see recently used. I used these ones of recent as well. So you have lines, shapes, graphics here that you can just bring in, stickers. Okay, assuming you want to bring in, or let's not go to there for now. See, so you can see them now. See lines. So let's just bring out one of them. Let me say this circle. I click on this circle and it's out. I think I clicked twice, so two of them came out. Okay, you can decide this one comes here. Just to give the background a shape. About that. So if you don't want to give it a shape, you've seen now you can enlarge, you can even turn. Whatever you want to do with your shape that you brought in, you can even make it oval. I'm squeezing it from that angle. Okay. This way. If I want to cover this whole place now, I'll have to draw it further. And then take it here. Let's see what we now have. So let me bring it out. You can bring in other shapes. You can bring in other shapes. Sorry about that. I was sorry. So let's go back. You know, the cycle is highlighted. So these are edit options down here for the circle. You can see color. You can see the shape self. You can even change the shape. Replace it. Right now, let me click on this shape down there. And see, you can change the shape to square, to triangle, anything you want to. Look at them there. You can change it from there. Even with a comment shape. Okay. So that's it. You can also change the color there. You can see color down there. Let's change it. No color. Let's choose this no color. Let's choose another color. So you can do something with it. Let's scroll again and see more options. Style. This style has to do with the outline of the shape. I want it to be in bricks like this. You won't see it because the outline is not heavy. So let's add the outline down here. You can see border weight. I'm gonna be increasing. Okay, you've seen as I increase it here, you've seen the object over there is increasing, the border is increasing. Okay, so now we can see the differences when we click on this corner round. I think this one was not supposed to show because the object is kind of round. If you say something that is square totally, you see the effect of that one. So that's it for the objects. Let me close objects outline. Sorry, let me check other things. Okay, style, we've done the style, we've done the border. What's this now? Ones are coming out without me touching them. Okay, so you just check these things. Yeah, I'm making it to be transparent to blend into the background. Okay. So let's go back to our plus sign. We want to explore that side first. So we are back to this place. You can bring in stickers if you want. Let's click this sock sticker. Just click this sock sticker. This is it. I keep it. Okay, so you can see the sticker is working over there. Let's check some other things. Sorry for that. The stickers move self. You can see that they give actions. Photos. We have photos. They have tons of photos here, but most of them are pro versions. You see that pro there, you have issues to download your image if after using it. So, oh my God, turn back. My phone have swapped. Okay, so just try check all those things. Still on this down button, we can bring in our text from there. So I have to let this thing come down first. Okay, here we are. Photos, videos, audios, charts. Just can use all those stuff. This is another thing. Our frame is also a nice, is very important one. See these frames with these designs and all that, and you see that type of background in it. It means you can fix a picture in it. So let's just choose one of them. Let's say I choose this one. I click on it. It is out. That means I can fix a picture inside it, or even a video. Let me keep these ones or delete them so that we work on our frame. So here's our frame. I want to fix in a picture. What do? After highlighting it, I can say replace, which is down here. I want to replace that picture inside it with mine. So I click on replace. It takes me back to this place. Can be picture or videos, I've told you. So I'm clicking on images. These are all my pictures and my videos no, these ones are pictures and images. Okay. Pictures and images on my phone, or the recent ones I used, showing them. So you can go there now and just select anyone. These ones I already removed their background. I don't want the one that I've removed background, so that we'll see how it works. Which is, they don't want to load out, so it's taking time to load. Okay, let me choose this one. Sorry, it's taking time to load. Okay, I've selected it. Okay, I'm coming. I've selected it and it's supposed to come up. Okay, there was an issue on your end. Look up there. Maybe network problem. That's why it's delaying. They're telling us. So the picture have finally come out, but it's not well positioned. How do I do it? I'll come to these three dots that are up in the frame. The frame, this is the frame. If I leave it, you see those three dots there. I click on that is beside delete. I click on it and it brings out more options down here. You see copy, paste, select, send backward. I'm looking for detach. Okay, here's detach. I click on detach. I want to detach out the picture and work on it. Okay, so I'm going to crop. You can see I'm just clicking and dragging. Crop and keep just that part I want to come out on the frame, and then drag it into the middle of the frame and leave it. All right, so I have my picture there. You can see, so you can do like that for any picture. The frame came out twice that time. Let's work on this one too. This frame, you can also change it, replace it with other shapes. Let's see whether we get that here. Okay, that's not what I'm looking for. It's like it's not on this. It's not on these options. Okay, that means you can only go back. It's not showing in this option. Okay, let me just, I press that replace. If I want to replace it with another picture for that one. Let's choose something else. I don't like this thing that is loading very slow. What's going on? Okay, but at least we've seen what we even check videos stuff. Let's check videos. What videos with this kind of network for? I doubt if. Okay. Let me choose this 27 seconds video. Let's see. Okay, I can see what's happening. That it has replaced it and it is working there. So there are other options here: effects, adjust, filters. Just play around with them, and that's it for that. I'm going back to that our purple addition sign again, and checking another thing. We've done design, we've done elements, gallery. You know what gallery is, and you know what uploads are. So we will not dwell more on that. Now this is text. Clicking on that text. So here is where you get tons of text designs. You can edit them and use. Those I've already made once. You can just say tap text, or you just say add a heading, add a subheading. Those ones you click the com and you edit. So let's choose any of them. Add a subheading. That's what I clicked now. Here is it. You can see it there. It's highlighted, so I click on edit down here to edit. Okay, I type in what I want. After clearing it, I type my own. Merry Christmas. And my Mary, beautiful Mary. Mommy, I'm coming now, please. Okay, she already drank it. Thank you. So I want to edit my Mary. I didn't know it came out that way. Anyway, Merry Christmas. So I'm removing the Merry. Oh, God, this thing is not clear. All right, so that's the Merry. Keep quiet now, Mommy. I'm doing something. Okay, go and drink. Thank you. Merry Christmas. So that's it for, I don't know, what's this E at the end here? Oh God. This my cursor is not moving. I finally reached it and removed it. Oh, thank God. So that is it. Merry Christmas to you. When you highlight it, you see font there. You can change just like we did before. Heart on black. You choose any one you want. Heart on black is fine for me. Font size, color. You do like we did. Please go and meet your daddy. So you, I think I've rolled again and it's taking too much time. Any app that is using data to do, that's how it behaves. Okay, so effects, animate. Let's check this animation. I want to animate Merry Christmas. How should it come out? See, this one says none, this one block, this one typewriter. It's supposed to be showing maybe while I know what I'm doing, because it's supposed to be animating. But fine, since it's not, because maybe the network also. So I'm going to be clicking any one. Let's say bounce. I click on bounce. Click on boss. When I click, please look at the text over there and see that it's animating. Click on roll. Look at the text. Okay, I click on merge. Just watch the text. Merged. Okay, I click on shift. So you check all those ones and see whichever one you want, how you want it to come in. Breathe. So you choose for both in or out animation. Inside again. So that's it. Transparency, we know what that means. Positioning. This positioning is either, this Merry Christmas is on top of this sticker, this sock sticker. So maybe I want it to be behind. You click on that positioning. That is when it takes you. So let me say backward. Taking this Christmas backward. Okay, it only works for this frame, this side. Let me say click on backward again for the sticker. Okay, you can now see the sticker is on top of the Merry Christmas. The frame is also on top of the Merry Christmas. So when I click on forward, it's up again. And I click on forward again, it's up again. And I click on top, that's top of the page. Click on middle, that's middle of the page. I click on bottom, that's bottom of the page. Center, right, you can see all those are working there. I'll go back to this place. All right, we are back. So you play around with all those stuffs. Nudge, we have already worked on nudge. I'm going back to our purple again. Is there anything we've not done here? Projects, yeah, this project is your work, your saved works, all the projects we've done. Let me click on it. The projects I've done in this app of recent, the designs, look at them on tight.